Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and I am bringing you a video on yet another supercar. Today's supercar is a 2024 Lamborghini Huracan EVO Spyder, aka convertible, and we've done a few things on this beautiful vehicle. One of them is an Autowatch Ghost anti-theft system, as you can see on this pamphlet right here, and the other one is a tag vehicle recovery system. You can just see where we've etched the window. Igor is going to be demonstrating the system very shortly, but I'm just going to go over here and show you what tag is in this helpful brochure that's in the middle of my install bay. So for those of you who don't know, just as the pamphlet says, tag is North America's most effective stolen vehicle recovery system. Essentially what it is, it's multiple tag radio transmitters spread throughout the vehicle, hidden in various locations that essentially will help a recovery team locate this vehicle if it's ever stolen. Now, you may say, well, what's the purpose of putting an Autowatch Ghost on this vehicle? Well, there's definitely a purpose. That's to prevent the vehicle from getting stolen outright. But if the vehicle were ever carjacked or if the vehicle was ever towed away, tag is there as your effective solution in getting the vehicle back. And as you can see, it works North America wide. And essentially, if the vehicle is reported stolen, you report that to tag and they will send a recovery team out to recover your vehicle. So thank you, tag, for making such a great system and allowing us to install it on this beautiful vehicle. So next up in the video is the Autowatch GHOST-II system. So for those of you who don't know, the Autowatch GHOST-II is a digital anti-theft device. What does that mean? That means that it communicates through the vehicle's CAN bus system to essentially allow us to prevent this vehicle from starting unless somebody knows the secure PIN code or if they have the optional key tag. Now on this vehicle, it's secure PIN code only, and the way that we have this Ghost set up is so that it prevents the vehicle from starting unless the PIN code is entered. Now, I'm not going to show you the actual PIN code on this vehicle, but I will show you and demonstrate how the unit works in terms of not allowing the car to start. So Igor is in the car. Igor, you have the key, right?
Yes.
Okay. So go ahead and demonstrate what happens if you don't enter the PIN code.
Let's wait. Let's start. Lights on. Nothing gonna happen now.
Perfect. So in this case, as I mentioned earlier in the video, it's got starter disable or starter kill as a kill method on this car. Okay, now go ahead and enter the secure PIN code. So as you can hear by that really loud and beautiful exhaust, the vehicle starts right up. So Igor, go ahead and shut it off. So basically, now that we've shut it off and you can hear me again in the video, essentially what that means is that Igor would be allowed to, or would be able to drive this vehicle until which point he shut it off. And then the next time he went to drive it, he would have to enter the secure PIN code again. Now you may ask, how do you enter the secure PIN code? And again, I'm not going to show you the exact PIN code, but essentially any of the factory buttons on the steering wheel or on the dash can be utilized as PIN code entry buttons. So that means that if you had a code of say 1111, you could use an individual button to essentially press as the one and then move on to the next button, move on to the next button, move on to the next button. So a great combination of systems, the Autowatch GHOST-II, as you can see in this shiny pamphlet there, and our giant pamphlet, the tag vehicle recovery system, works extremely well to secure beautiful vehicles like this brand new Lamborghini Huracan. Now, it doesn't apply just to Lamborghinis and high-end supercars. You can do this to any car. We don't discriminate. You can bring any vehicle you want here to Lockdown Security and we can secure it just like this. It just so happens that today, our newest vehicle to protect is this beautifully brand new Lamborghini Huracan. If you or someone you know is interested in adding vehicle anti-theft systems to your vehicle, give us a call, 1-866-824-4118. Sales@lockdownsecurity.ca is our email. www.lockdownsecurity.ca is our website. If you like this video and if you love this car, hit the like button on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future so you too can enjoy the beautiful exhaust note of this Lamborghini or any other vehicle that we do. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.